Hello everyone, welcome to Education KH channel. Today I have one exercise like on the screen. Let A, B, C be distinct non-zero real number such that A plus 1 over B equal B plus 1 over C equal C plus 1 over A. Find the values of A times B times C. Before we go to the solution, please subscribe my channel and like, share the video please. Go to the solution together. First, I have A plus 1 over B equal B plus 1 over C. Okay, step 1. A plus 1 over B equal B plus 1 over C. And then I change B to the left side and I change 1 over B to the right side. And we get A minus B equal 1 over C minus 1 over B. And I can write A minus B equal B minus C over BC. I let it first equation. And then step 2. Step 2, I choose this part with this part. A plus 1 over B equal C plus 1 over A. And then I change C to the left side and 1 over B to the right side. You get A minus C equal 1 over A minus 1 over B. And then we get A minus C equal B minus A over AB. And I let it second equation. Step 3. Step 3, I use the part with the part. B plus 1 over C equal C plus 1 over A. And then we get, I change C to the left side and 1 over C to the right side. We get B minus C equal 1 over A minus 1 over C. And then we get B minus C equal C minus A over AC. And I let it the third equation. And then we multiply both sides of equation first and second and third. We multiply first equation with two equation with third equation. And we get A minus B times A minus C times B minus C. And we get B minus C over BC times B minus A over AB times C minus A over AC. And equal B minus C times B minus A and times C minus A over A square times B square times C square. And then we see B minus A and this A minus B and this C minus A and this A minus C. So I can write B minus C and we can write A minus b, a minus b, and this we change a minus c. We know a b minus a, I can write minus a plus b and equal minus a minus b, and c minus a we can write minus a plus c, and we take minus out, we get a minus c. So we times b minus a times c minus a equal minus a minus b times minus a minus c, and minus times minus we get plus. So we get a minus b times a minus c. So I can write it. So we get over a square, b square, c square. And I can change the part to the left side. And we get a square, b square, and c square times a minus b and times a minus c and times b minus c equal b minus c and times a minus b and times a minus c. And we change all this part to the right side, and we get a square times b square times c square equal b minus c times a minus b and times a minus c over a minus b times a minus c times b minus c. Okay, we can simplify AC, a minus c, a minus b with a minus b, and b minus c with b minus c. It equals 1. So a b c I can write all square might equal 1. So a b c equal plus and minus square root 1 and equal plus and minus 1. Thus a b c equal plus and minus 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and share and like the video for more exciting video. Goodbye.